Today I want to show you how to put together the mini Gable gift box from Simply Crafty SVGs. It's a free file. And you can see this is what it looks like when it's put together. It's a nice little treat box with a little oval cutout on the front and back. And you could cut it out and lay them flat before assembling. It's easy to assemble. Now to start with, you want to make sure you fold on the score lines as shown. I already folded this one, but you want to make sure you get them good and crisp. I did miss this fold just to show you. If you have a bone folder or something to help get crisper edges, that's always advisable too. Just a matter of what you feel comfortable with. As you can see, it's going to fold over and we'll just be gluing one tab to put this together. Now the file comes with an optional panel for like a clear acetate. I didn't do that in the Christmas box I showed you earlier, so you can or you don't have to use it. If you're going to put a treat in there that's in a bag, then you could omit it. This is a good Christmas, I think, a gift for Christmas or a baby shower or something like that. You can make it any theme. So to put the acetate on, hit my camera there. It's slightly smaller than that oval oval panel piece. And once you have it glued on, you'll just center it to the oval panel with the cutout. We'll let that dry for a minute and we'll attach the one that already has the acetate on it. So again, that's optional if you want to make them quicker. Some people find it frustrating to use the plastic, but I wanted to give it an option. So you can see it centers, so you have a little edge in the middle as well of the box color. Then you just simply add the other panels to it. This is a really fast box to put together, and like I said, it could be used for any occasion. What I like about the boxes don't require a lot of glue, especially these. We will glue just one side tab. And then those little panels on the bottom, it's a no glue closure. It's such a small box that you can use no glue closures for something where you're not going to put a lot of weight in. It can hold a substantial amount of weight, but it's really easy to put together. And again, like I said, you can assemble a whole lot, put them flat in a drawer. When you're ready to use them, then you can put them all together at once. So now that we have the panels on, I'm going to glue those tabs. That little one tab right here, the side tab, you're going to add glue to. Then fold over the other edge and align it to the tab fold. Make sure it's centered there. And then just apply a good amount of pressure to secure it. And then you can see that's how it opens on the top. It'll come together shortly. Now we want to fold the section with the teeth first, always when you have these closures, and then the side flaps, and then carefully slot that last tab into the hole. It's just an angle thing and it'll pop right in. So now you can see the box is essentially completed. You can put whatever little treats inside, and then to close it, just press the top part together. Press the tabs to kind of angle them through to close the box. And you can make this for any occasion. Add a sentiment, twine, ribbon, and here's another example to give you an idea. A little Christmas box. Well, I hope you enjoyed this project, and I thank you for watching.